We're on 2.4, check understanding. This couldn't fit into the last video because I only have 15 minutes on each slide or on each video, and I was already at 14 minutes, and there's no way I was going to be able to explain the two check understanding questions in that time. So remember, for check understanding, you need to try it by yourself, and then you hit play again and see if you have it right. So go ahead and hit pause and then hit play again when you're ready. Okay, number 1, use the number line to graph the following numbers. And we're going and then write them in order from least to greatest. I'm going to go in a little more here so we can be zoomed in nice. Okay, first off, they're at all different levels here, but you guys are really good already with these numbers, so I don't think we need to write them any differently. If I look here, this is 0.25, negative a half, even though they're written as fractions and decimals. You guys know most of those. Negative 0.75, and then 3/4. So I have them on the number line, and then least to greatest. So I'm looking over here, negative 0.75. Oops. Right here is negative 1/2. Then I have 0.25, and I'm ending with 3/4. There we go. Number 2. There we go. Right, the list of numbers in order from greatest to least. I hope if you did this problem, you looked at that. So all the numbers that are positive are going to go on the right-hand side. But first, they're all different hodgepodges of things. This has an 8, decimal, decimal, 2, 8. And the only one that is negative is this guy right here. So we know that one is going to be the least. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on over here. And now let's take a look at the rest of these. I know that either 1 and 3/8 or 1.4 is going to go first because they have whole numbers in front of them. So I'm going to take my 1.4. I'm going to bring my 1 over. The 4 is in the 10th place, so I'm going to write a 10. And I have a 4. And then my other one is 1 and 3/8. And now I need to get a common denominator on the bottom. My common denominator is going to be 40 because I know that 10 times 4 is 40. I'm going to do the same thing on the top. I get 1 and then 16 over 40. To make 8 be 40, I need to multiply by 5. I'm going to do the same thing on top, and I get 15. Ooh, those are really close together. But 16 is bigger. So I have 1.4, and then I have 1 and 3/8. And I put those way too close together to that one. So I'm going to go ahead and erase that one to remember it for later. And I'm going to move it down here. So I have 1.4 done. I have 1 and 3/8 done. And now we have 5/8 and 1/2. Now I know I can make that 2 into an 8. So I'm going to multiply by 4. And I get 4/8. 5 is bigger than 4. So the 5/8 goes next, followed by the original number of 1/2. So that one was a little trickier than any of the other ones they did.